Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have Sennheiser HD450BT Bluetooth headphones with model number SEBT4, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, deleting all of the Bluetooth pairing history and everything like that off of them. So there's two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one's troubleshooting. If these headphones won't pair with your device, or they won't sync with the app, or they're not connecting to Bluetooth, and you've tried just a regular reset, this can very often fix the issue. Now the other reason you're going to want to do this is if you just want to set these up on new devices and have them just forget all the devices they've been paired with, we can go ahead and do this really easily. All we need to do is first we're going to make sure that they're not connected to anything, because this won't work if they're connected. And they don't want to be plugged into anything or anything like that, all right? And so then we just need to put them in pairing mode when they can't pair with anything. So to do that, you're just going to switch them off, which is pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds, and then starting them into pairing mode, which is from off, you're just going to press and hold the on-off button for 4 seconds, and that will send them into pairing mode where they're blinking like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Once that happens, then you're just going to come in and simultaneously press the on-off button and the three-way multifunction button and press and hold it for 3 seconds. And you'll know it's worked when that light goes from blinking red, blue to blinking 3 times purple. And then it goes back to red, blue because it's totally reset, and now it's gone back to pairing mode and is ready to be paired like a new set of headphones.